Subscribe Techno Gyan Pedia channel and press the bell icon to get our latest video updates. Also don't forget to like, comment and share this video.
Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to know about how to roll back or downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. But before that, you want to know why anyone would like to roll back from the latest Microsoft Windows. As you know, many PC doesn't support TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot, but by a bypass technique, as shown in my earlier video, you can bypass this problem and may install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. But is this worthful? For the past 1 week, we install Windows 11 on an unsupported hardware PC, but we face many problems like bit laggy while using editing apps, crashing of Explorer numerous times, drag and drop problem, connectivity through the internet, the opening of browsers, or any others apps is taking too much time. So we decided to roll back from Windows 11 to the last updated Windows 10. So let's roll back to Windows 10 by following these steps. As you see, this is Windows 11 Pro Developer Edition install on an unsupported PC. We are going to roll back from this to Windows 10 Pro. So let's get started. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings. Click on the Update and Security option. Then go to the Recovery option, and click on Go Back. After that it asks why you want to go back. You can choose anything for your answer or can give the custom option, then click on the Next button. After that it suggests you go back and install the latest updates to fix your problem, which is worthless. So click on the No Thanks button and move ahead. Then click the Next button until you reach Go Back to Earlier Build button. After clicking the button your PC restarts and roll back to the previous version of Windows 10. Now you can see, we roll back to Windows 10 successfully from Windows 11, and there is no data loss or any type of error we faced during this rollback process. This is safe and easy technique to roll back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. I hope this video help you in roll back from latest Windows to last updated Windows. If you like this video then please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video. Thank you, and stay tuned.